Sa tingin mo, kaya pa bang umisa ng Denver Nuggets? Last season, pure dominance ang pinakita ng Denver Nuggets sa NBA. Tinapos nila ang season as the first seed in the Western Conference despite competing against the previous year's champs, the Golden State Warriors, and the powerhouse na Phoenix Suns with Kevin Durant. Naging finalist din si Nikola Jokic sa MVP voting. Ito ay matapos na naman niyang mag-average ng near triple-double for a season habang na-maintain ng winning basketball. Nagbalik na rin sa dating form si Jamal Murray, kaya may star teammate na ulit si Joker. Sa playoffs naman, nilampaso lang ng Nuggets ang lahat ng kalaban, even sweeping the LeBron-led Lakers. No team could stop them at nanalo na nga sila ng kanilang first ever championship in franchise history. Inaward rin kay Jokic ang Finals MVP after averaging 30.2 points per game, 14 rebounds per game, and 7.2 assists per game. Bukod pa doon, may kanya-kanya ring mga next level performances ang rest of the squad. In Game 4, Bruce Brown got 21 points, while Gordon got 27 points, 7 rebounds, and 6 assists to get the 3-1 lead. Si Jamal Murray naman, nag-average ng 26.1 points per game, 7.1 assists per game, 5.7 rebounds per game for the entire playoffs. Kitang-kita ang lalim ng roster ng Nuggets. Pati ang mga role player nila ay nagbigay ng solid performances throughout the postseason. Nasa team na nga nila ang lahat, di nga lang makaantay makauwi si Nikola Jokic. Welcome nga pala Beyonders sa NBA 545 presented by Beyond Highlights. Ang daily series kung saan ipapakilala sa inyo ang storya ng top 5 teams to watch this coming season. Araw-araw. This is episode 5. Denver Nuggets. Now back to the episode. Ngayong off-season, walang masyadong moves ang Nuggets. Matapos nga nilang mag-champion last season, mukhang pinlano lang nila to run it back. But not everything went as planned. Nag-sign si Bruce Brown sa Indiana Pacers ng 2-year contract for $45 million. Si Bruce Brown ay naging malaking parte ng pagkapanalo ng Nuggets last season. In the playoffs, nag-average si Brown ng 12 points per game and 1.1 steals per game as the sixth man. Marami rin siyang high-energy plays na nakatulong magbigay ng momentum sa koponan. Kaya malaking dagok ito sa kanilang depth. Idagdag mo pa doon ang mga big moves na ginawa ng ibang teams this offseason tulad ng pag-acquire ng Bucks kay Lillard at ng Celtics kay Holiday. Understatement sabihin na mas malakas ang competition ng Nuggets this season. Ang good thing lang, they got to keep all 5 of their starters. So,